Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 of my favourite oil-free dal recipes. Starting off with the traditional recipe, then tomato-based dal, and finally spinach-based dal. The best part about these 3 recipes, besides the flavour, is that the traditional recipe, which is the first recipe we're going to start off with, forms the foundation for the tomato and spinach based dals, which means you don't have to go out and buy different types of lentils and different spices. The tomato and spinach dals only require 2 to 3 more ingredients in addition to the ingredients for the traditional recipe. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of all future videos. You can find the full recipe on our website. The link is in the description box. The page is linked to the recipe video, so you can always jump back in and have a look at the demonstration again if you like. We also have the recipe available in printable PDF for your convenience. The first thing you need to do is to soak your chickpeas. If you're running low on time, you can definitely use a pressure cooker. When you soak the chickpeas, they almost double in size. If you don't have a pressure cooker, boil the chickpeas in a large pot. Ensure to skim off the foam that forms at the top. If you don't, you'll probably get a big explosion. And it's what my mum has always done, so that's what I do now as well. You'll know when the chickpeas are cooked when you can mash them between your fingers. Next, prepare your other ingredients. Your curry leaves, coriander, garlic, half an onion, and your spices. Mustard seeds, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, and coriander powder. Heat your non-stick pan on high before adding your mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start popping, add in your cumin seeds. Then quickly add in your onion and curry leaves. You want to ensure that you don't burn the spices, because if you do, you'll have a bitter flavour throughout the dal. Once the onions start turning brown, add in water to deglaze the pan. Then add in your coriander stalks and your garlic. Stir briefly before adding in your cooked lentils. Add your coriander powder and your turmeric powder. Add your 3 cups of water, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Then remove 2/3 of the liquid and the solids and blend until smooth. Now I use my stick blender outside of my pan because I don't want to damage the non-stick surface. Add the blended mixture back into the pan. Add your salt and your coriander leaves, and you're ready to serve. For the tomato-based dal, the additional ingredients you'll need are a can of chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, and 4 tablespoons of jaggery. You can purchase it in blocks like this. It has a delicate sweet flavour and is almost caramel-like. The jaggery really brings out the sweetness in the tomatoes. At the point the water is added to the lentils, as shown in the first recipe, add these 3 ingredients as well. Stir, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Again, like the first recipe, remove 2/3 of the liquid and the solids. Blend and then return to the pot. Add your salt and your coriander, and you're ready to serve. For the spinach-based dal, the 2 additional ingredients you'll need are, of course, spinach. You can use frozen or fresh. I tend to use a combination of both. And jaggery. This again brings out the sweetness of the spinach. At the point where you add water in the first recipe, add these 2 ingredients as well. Stir, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Then remove 2/3 of the liquid and solids. Blend until smooth. And then return back to the pan. Add your salt and coriander. This dal is a bit thicker than the other two dals, and if you prefer, you can add some water just to thin it down to your liking. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.